I'm going to talk about ocean ecology and the heat capacity of the water. Usually, the air doesn't have a strong capacity to grasp or contain heat. The air becomes hot within few seconds when the sun comes. But water has the ability, heat capacity ability, because the sun's heat is grasped by water and slowly the oceans heat up. So they have more capacity. Air has less capacity. So we need to understand first about ocean ecology in order to understand the heat capacity of the earth. Ocean ecology is the hope of the future by increasing the awareness of how important the oceans are. It is also the answer to finding solutions to the many ecological problems, so hopefully some of the damage can be corrected. It is a known fact that no animal or human can live without water. Now is the time to make changes and plan for the future. Even the smallest change can make a difference. Ocean ecology is the scientific study of the effects that man and technology are having on the oceans. The world's oceans represent our planet's largest potential wild realm. There are still many areas of the deep ocean that have never been seen, explored, or fully mapped by humans. Scientists have only begun to scratch the surface of the secrets that are held in the depth of the ocean and its inhabitants. Unfortunately, humanity is having a negative challenges or negative impact on the oceans and creating many problems. There are many challenges facing the world today, and protecting the oceans and its inhabitants is one of the biggest challenge facing the scientists. Oceans are under continual stress from human activity, including overfishing, pollution, and coastal development. Climate change will only go on to exacerbate existing threats and add complex new stresses. The best way to learn what changes need to be made is by understanding how the oceans impact society. The more knowledge scientists acquire, the more it will help them find ways to deal with the problems that arise. Pollution is one of the biggest ocean ecology problems that scientists are trying to find a solution for today. They are trying to find ways to reduce the pollutants that make their way to the oceans and a way to counteract the changes that have already occurred due to this problem. Chemicals, along with gas, oil, and other containments, are entering the oceans and destroying the marine life on a regular basis. Ocean ecology has proven that many marine animals are dying and becoming extinct due to these pollutants. Others are getting sick and not reproducing like they ought to, which results in fewer numbers than there should be. This changes the balance of nature and shapes the fate of the earth in a negative way. As a result, things are going to be very different for your children and grandchildren. Something is not done to reduce the negative impact society is having on the earth's oceans. Pollution is not the only thing that is affecting the oceans of today. Ocean ecology has shown scientists that the water temperature is increasing at an alarming rate. This has contributed to the greenhouse effect and is a great cause for concern. The oceans continue to deteriorate at the rate they have over the last few decades. The future of the world is in jeopardy. Save our oceans.